Om Sai Ram, welcome to Sai Baba, the Living God, and His Divine Blessings YouTube channel. Today I am going to share an experience of a devotee, how she got connected to Baba, and later on, how changes came in her life. So it all started in 2017 when, after her schooling, it was almost 1 year she had done her college. And then one fine day, she decided to worship Sai Baba. So, in order to worship Sai Baba, she started interrogating with her mother, and one thing she was sure about was she wished to do Baba's Vrat. Vrat means keeping a fast. So, when she asked her mama about it, her mom said that what you need for the Vrat is you need Baba's idol and a Vrat Katha book. Vrat Katha book means we read that book on Thursdays, which is available in many languages. You can check it out on internet. So she insisted her mom to bring that, and she got. So she started doing Baba's Vrat. Now 9 is considered a very divine number. So she chose to do 9 Vrat. And it is said that when you do Vrat, you should keep only one wish in front of Baba at a time. So, since she was a student then, a first year college student, so she prayed to Baba to arrange students for her coaching. She wanted to take tuition classes, but she didn't know from where to start. It was all that she was starting from ground level. She was starting from zero, and she didn't know from where to get the students for the same. So she started praying to Baba. And after the first vrat, just before the second vrat, like this vrat is done on every Thursday. So just before the second Thursday, someone comes to her and says that please start teaching my child. Why don't you start taking my child's tuition classes? She was very happy, extremely happy, because this time she did not wander anywhere. Rather, that lady herself came to her for the coaching. So she was very happy. She got the first student for her coaching institution. And the second beautiful miracle which happened was guess the name of the student. Her first student was Sai. Name of the first student was Sai. So this way she started from zero level in 2017. And then she did 9 Thursdays, and then she did Udyapan and all. And by that time she had 9 students. So with those 9 students, she started teaching and doing hard work with all her dedication. And it was her mom who also motivated her, no matter what is the strength of the classroom, but to give the best. And she did that. Because I could feel those vibes after reading her message. So she started taking classes of 9 students in 2017. And today it's 2021. And still she's taking classes, and it's going superb. It's going very great. She has obviously progressed a lot. And in this journey, she progressed academically, she progressed spiritually. So she was very happy to receive Baba's blessings. And I've also shared in the community post a very beautiful painting from Lipi ji. The name of this devotee was Lipi ji. She's from Orissa. So I've also shared a picture. She's made the sketch very beautiful, but the message what she has written is, which says that whenever we are in turmoil, or in some, when we are not turmoil, rather when we are demanding something to Baba, then Baba, please remind us that what you want to bless us with is better than what we dream for. So there's a very nice message written, so you can check out the community post for the same. And so this was the experience, how she did Baba's Vrat and how Baba helped her to initiate her classes, because she had no idea from where to start, from where to get the students, because unless you have students, how can you run the classes? And she was herself a student. Okay, so she was not in some coaching institute, she was not teaching in some school, so she was not in brand, she was not in touch of lot of students. Okay, so she had to start from zero level. But it is believed when you completely surrender to Baba, he arranges himself. Why, how, and where, these are not to be questioned. Simply surrender under his holy feet and you will feel the change. The divine change and the spiritual progress you will go through. You are going to be very happy and peaceful. I insist each one of you to pray Baba daily for your well beingness as well as for the well being of this Mother Earth and its people. You all can also connect to us on Instagram and you can also mail us your experiences. So, I'm going to share the details of Instagram and email ID in the description. You can check out, and do not forget to check out Lipiji's painting, which is there in community post. Thank you so much. Stay blessed. And I'll be back next Thursday again with one another experience of a devotee. Until then, pray to Baba, and whenever you get time, feel free to share your experience as well, as this would enlighten someone else's life. Jai Sai Ram.